This video provides an overview of the REVS learning platform. The REVS program main page provides information about your program, including an estimate of the time remaining to complete your learning. The menu on the left-hand side provides additional information and resources. The page also shows the required courses for your program. Complete each course in order to complete the program. To start your first course, click Open. The course summary describes the topics that will be covered by the course. The course modules are listed beneath the summary. The first module in every program is an attestation. An attestation is a statement where someone confirms that something is true, accurate, and/or done by that person. To read and affirm the attestation, click the Start button. Please read the attestation carefully before confirming your agreement. Click the Confirm and Attest button to continue. Click OK to return to the module listing. Progress is tracked on the main page of the course. As you complete one module, the next becomes available to start. Click the Start button to begin the first content module. Use the provided navigation to progress through the modules. Navigation will vary depending on the activity type. You may exit at any time and continue the module later if needed. Select the Close button to exit the module and return to your course list. REVS keeps track of your progress in modules. Select Resume to continue your learning. In this short module, the module restarts upon resuming. In many longer modules, you will return close to the point where you exited. The course page tracks your progress in the course. Modules are set to Completed after you fully engage with the module content. To return to the REVS program page, select My Learning from the left-hand menu or scroll to the bottom and click the Back button. On the REVS program page, program progress estimated remaining time decreases as you complete modules. However, the program completion circle will update only as full courses complete. To maintain your privacy on a shared device, it is important that you log out of the learning platform when you are not using it. Click Log Out in the menu. When you see this page, you're logged out of the learning platform. To log back in, return to the OMVIC portal. Thank you for watching this short video on the REVS learning platform. To learn more, check out other education resources on the OMVIC website.